Hello, today we are going to be simulating a hurricane. A hurricane is a storm over water that starts gathering clouds and spins in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction around its center or the eye. Clockwise for the southern hemisphere and counterclockwise for the northern. It is the beginning stages of a tropical storm. When the storm winds pick up to around 74 miles per hour, it is considered a hurricane. These hurricanes are scaled and based on wind speeds. A Category 1 is 74 to 95 miles per hour and is still dangerous. Category 2 is 96 to 110 miles per hour. It is extremely dangerous and also causes quite a bit of damage. Category 3 is 101 to 130 and 229 miles per hour, which causes devastating damage to trees and uproots trees and parts of homes. Category 4 is catastrophic damage. Its wind speeds get up to 130 to 156 miles per hour in some areas, and areas become completely destroyed and debris is found everywhere. Category 5, the worst of them all, is 157 miles per hour and higher. Total catastrophic damage. It destroys nearly everything in its path and becomes uninhabitable for months. And here we are going to do the spin, and we are going to simulate what direction the winds would be moving. Okay. And as it gets closer to the center, it should start picking up. I wish I had a bigger bowl. There we go. And that is that. Thank you for watching.